Hello everyone, we're going to be doing an unboxing of DC Multiverse Red Hood, the action figure. Alright, so now let's just open the top part right here. Oh, that's pretty tight in there. Get out, dude. I know you don't want to escape the box, but you're gonna have to, buddy. Don't take me out! Don't take me out! He is officially out now. Wow, look at that. That is impeccable details. Red helmet, gun. Wow. Looks just awesome. Let's try taking him out. Oh, he's actually stuck on there with this white clear string. What is this, string? Not sure. Here comes a scissor. We are gonna snip this guy out. We're gonna let you free, buddy. Don't cry. Okay, he has officially escaped his box prison. Now, how are we gonna take this guy out? Come out, man. Come out, buddy. You can do it. Shake it, shake it. Oh, my leg escaped. Come on. Come out, buddy. I know you can do it. You stubborn guy. I know you don't want to escape that box. But I'm going to force you out. Oh, man. My legs are out. Ooh. Look at that. Come on, man. I don't want to break you. Oh, he just escaped. Yeah. I'm like a kangaroo. Hop, 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 hop. So now that this guy is out, Red Hood, I'm gonna try taking out these guns. They shouldn't be too hard. Let's pop this guy out. Cool. Pretty light. Alright, let's take this one out too. Oh man, this gun is stubborn just like Red Hood. Come out, come out. Okay, he's out. So here you have another one. Let's grab the other gun. Let's see if there's a size difference here. So the box came out with the stand right here, DC, it says right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So you're supposed to put him, there's 2 holes in each shoe. And you're supposed to put this piece right here inside there so he can stand perfectly fine without falling over. So let's just put him in there. Make him stand. Okay. Stabilize. Come on, man. You can do it. You can do it. Too many strawberries. Too many strawberry mango shakes. Okay, there you go. Look at that. That looks awesome. Around. Okay. Let's make him stand straight a little. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. I wish I could actually move his head. That would have been pretty nice. Pretty cool. But it's okay. Oh, there goes that same gun. For some reason, it's always this hand. Okay, it's back inside. Maybe I have to super glue it to him. Okay, there you go. Back in your hands. Torso up. And straight. Oh, there it goes. See what I mean? Okay, we're gonna put the gun back in his hands. It just fell out. Oh, he's gone. He had too many strawberry mango shakes. Okay. I'm back on the stand. Gun in his hands. Finally. Oh, it fell again. Oh no. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Okay. Hopefully he does not fall out this time. So as you can see right here, 2 guns in his hand. He's standing He's on a stand right now. Only downside is that his helmet does not move, but that's okay. I guess you can work with that. So let's just do a cool position like that. That is awesome too. You can do many different positions with his arms. It's not that restricted as some other body parts maybe. One thing is you cannot turn his torso sideways. You can move a little bit left and right like that, but you cannot twist him. He's very restricted in that sense. Okay, you can go back on your stand. Yep. And that is that. So inside the toy box, we had this card. It's a collection card. It says Red Hood, New 52. Looks pretty awesome. It's the same thing that was in the box. So what's it say in the back? It says right here, source, Deathstroke number 15, comic 2016. His real name is actually Jason Todd. Oh, I didn't know that. His height, 6 feet tall. Wow, he is very tall, guys. His weight, 225 pounds. Wow. Then it tells you a little story of him. Red Hood is a name and an identity that has been used by various heroes and villains over the years. The current and best known Red Hood is Jason Todd, a fierce hand-to-hand combat and vigilante crime fighter who has once Batman a second heroic apprentice called Robin. He has a complicated relationship with both his former mentor Batman and the original Robin, Dixon Grayson. Cool story. Data file. So these cards have to be collected, it seems like, so you can get the backstory of these characters. As you can see right here, his foot can actually bend. Just like that. Okay, he's coming out of his shoe right here. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching my first unboxing that I just did of Red Hood. And as you can see, that's the box, the toy, the 2 guns, and it came with the stand, and as you can see right there, the card in the back, Red Hood. Hopefully you guys will just click subscribe. It's gonna be at the, I believe it'll be at the bottom right of this video. I'm not exactly sure. But hopefully you guys can all help me out and get more subscribers. So we'll do a lot more unboxing of DC Multiverse toys.